Hello guys! Today, ituturo ko sa iyo how to create profile in Golden Expedition. So papasok natin guys, yan, click natin yung connect wallet. So make sure na meron tayong MetaMask, no? So from MetaMask, lagay natin yung password natin, then click. Yan, so automatic papasok tayo sa Golden Expedition. Then after nyan, click natin yung gameplay. Ayan. So the mechanics, next lang tayo dito. So kung may time tayo, much better na basahin natin. Ayan, so next, click lang natin yung next. Ayan, so guys dito, profile, for example, boss. And then dito naman sa password is Toyo and then yung number. So after ma-indicate na natin to lahat guys, click lang natin yung next. Ayan guys, so dito, mamili tayo ng gender, male or female. And then yan, maglo-load na ulit yung Golden Expedition. So pagka-load nya, mag-a-appear na mag-a-appear na yung pinaka map ulit ng Golden Expedition. So yan guys. So that's how you create profile in Golden Expedition. Yun lang guys. Thank you. See you on our next video.